Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Install the correct NVIDIA driver in CUDA, then activate a Python 3.8+ virtual environment so dependencies isolate. Clone the Maxine SDK repository or pull the container image. Once done, authenticate with your SDK token or license so services run. Make sure NVIDIA SMI shows your GPU. If it does not, stop and resolve driver mismatch. After that, launch the sample pipeline to verify the environment is ready and listening. Next, you build and configure the Maxine pipeline for your use case. Select models like audio denoise, face alignment, or background removal, and wire inputs from WebRTC or RTSP. Then set sample rates, frame resolution, and buffer sizes. This matters because latency versus quality trade-offs change with those values. Update model parameters and batch sizes to fit GPU memory and start the pipeline. Observe logs and metrics to confirm frames flow. If throughput is low, reduce resolution or increase. Finally, you finalize integration and validate results end-to-end. Verify audio and video synchronization, confirm target bitrate and perceptual quality, and iterate on model tuning. Once satisfied, optimize for production by enabling mixed precision, quantizing models where supported, and locking batch sizes for consistent latency. Make sure monitoring exports GPU utilization and pipeline health. If things go wrong, check logs for errors, confirm driver and CUDA versions match, and inspect dependency mismatches. These are the most common failure points to resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.